How to increase the AfterPay limit. So let's get started. So firstly you have to go in the page of the AfterPay, and here you have to log in and sign up in your account. Now you have to use your AfterPay account responsibly, and you have to maintain a positive payment history. And you have to avoid the late payments or decline the transactions. You have to ensure that you have at least 25% of the value of the order on your card at the time of the purchase or the payment. You have to request a credit limit increase by logging into your AfterPay account and navigate to the My Account section. From there you have to select the request a credit limit increase and follow the prompts. And you have to keep your AfterPay app updated by go into your latest version of the AfterPay app. Now if it is possible, you have to try to pay off your balance before the due date, and you have to monitor your credit score. Now it can also help to increase your limit. So that's how you can increase your AfterPay limit. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.